the cool bartender, and she made me a really good mocktail. It's actually Puerto Rican Bartender Week or something, so I'm excited to come later on and, you know, see the other bars and stuff like that. Si te olvidaste de mí, yo sé que fue una noche nada más, que no se vuelve a repetir. Tal vez en ti quise encontrar lo que en otra perdí. Orgullo no me quiere hablar. ¿Hablan español, inglés?
Sí, un poquito.
¿Los dos? Sí, un poquito.
Pero yo lo dije en inglés, porque lo decís. ¿Estamos bien? Los talones para abajo, un look grandecito.
Entonces vamos a compartir. This is fun. I like it a lot.
Puerto Rico, why don't we say feliz cumpleaños?
Ready? Okay.
Oh, yeah.
On three. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Feliz.
Feliz cumpleaños!
It's time to be a big back. It's time to be a big back. Record y'all that. I went out tonight, cooled, got home, did my skincare. I was taking on my makeup like, you know, skin. I went to Drunken Cookie. I ain't getting no liquor or nothing. I got this milk though. Let's get into the cookies. Okay. They're packaged. We love that. These are some big A cookie. Signature chocolate. And in the store was raving about this damn milk. And I'm just like, it's milk. But he said the vanilla milk was better than the chocolate. It smells like it do have some different type of vanilla. Okay. Ooh, that smells really good. What the hell? But that's good. White chocolate Hershey on it, which is one of my favorite candies. Oreos. Okay. I don't know what movie I'm about to watch, but good night.